Meet Miss Lisa, working in a reputed MNC in Glendora as a marketing head. In her everyday life, the mobile phone is the most important part. Few days ago, her Samsung Galaxy phone suddenly slipped from her hand, and the screen got damaged. Lisa became depressed as she was unable to read texts, watch presentations, access mails and more. She immediately started looking for the best repair technicians near her. While searching online, she got to know about iTech Xpress, the most renowned as well as authorized Samsung Galaxy phone repair shop. Without wasting her time, she was going through their previous customers' reviews, and surprised to know that they offer free repair estimates after evaluating the damaged device. She was amazed to know that their repair technicians are highly trained to fix the broken screen within the same day, and they have a great inventory of authentic and original spare parts. She immediately visited their store and got her device back in proper working condition. Are you facing the same situation as Miss Lisa? Immediately dial 626-777-4747 and make a quick appointment with their technicians. If you have any further query regarding their phone repair service, then you can surely visit their official website https://itexpressinc.com/.